Hello class. Today in this video we will talk about possible rational zeros. Okay, well here they ask us to find all the possible rational zeros of polynomials, for example this polynomial. So what do? Well, it would be the factors of 4 over factors of 3. So where did the 4 and the 3 come from? Well, the 4 is the constant term and the 3 is the leading coefficient. So the factors of 4 and the factors of 3. So the factors of 4 are going to be plus or minus 1, 2, and 4 divided by the factors of 3 plus or minus 1 and 3. So that would be, we'd have 1, negative 1, 2, and negative 2. We'd have 4/3. Well, we'd say 4, negative 4, and then let's start looking at the fractions. So we have, so all these were divided over 1, essentially. And now let's find some rational numbers with 3 in the denominator, like 2/3 and negative 2/3, and, well, could have started right at 1, 1/3 and negative 1/3, negative 1/3, and you have 4/3 and negative 4/3. So, a bunch. Okay. So to find your possible rational zeros, you do the factors of your constant term over the factors of your leading coefficient. And if you encounter this problem on a quiz or a test, I would be fine if you left it in some form like this. But these possible rational zeros, it's good to use them to help winnow down the possibilities for your zeros. And it's important to note that these only give you possibilities for rational zeros. And you might have complex numbers that aren't rational. For example, you could have irrational numbers, you could have complex numbers with an imaginary component, and you'd obviously wouldn't have all these zeros. You would only have at most 3 zeros. You might have some zeros that repeat, so you obviously wouldn't have all these possibilities. They're just possibilities.